Today, we're going to be making one of my favorite dishes, pad thai. It's super easy to make and it is delicious. I'm using dried ribbon rice noodles. Just make sure you get the thicker cut. And to prepare them, just pour some boiling water over them and let them sit for about 6 minutes. While we wait, let's chop up some fresh green onions. After 6 minutes of soaking, rinse the noodles with cold water to stop them cooking. You want them to be a little firm still so they don't go mushy when you fry them up. Crush or chop a handful of peanuts. I'm just using salted roasted peanuts here. I've been using cheap non-stick woks like this for a while now, and I've never been entirely happy with them. They don't seem to hold and build the heat very well, and the non-stick coating wears away. I was fortunate enough to have a company reach out to me to offer a quality handmade wok to test out. There are a few things to get used to with a wok like this, but the more I use it, the more I enjoy it. If you are interested in getting one for yourself, there is an affiliate link in the description below. Heat up the wok and brown off the chopped up peanuts. Peel and crush a few cloves of fresh garlic. The amount you use is really up to you. I like quite a lot of garlic. Slice a lime up into wedges. Traditionally, you would use red Thai chilies, but I'm going to use my peri-peris. They have a great flavor and they are quite a bit spicier. Again, the amount you use is down to your preference and how spicy you can handle it. I wouldn't go with anything too spicy because you will ruin the balance of this. Add 5 tablespoons of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste to a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I prefer using brown sugar, but unfortunately I had run out. Heat your wok up again and add a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil. Throw in a piece of green onion to test if it's at heat yet. You want to see it sizzle. If you want a stronger garlic taste, then add the garlic a little bit later when you start cooking the prawns. Let's add about 5 spoons of the sauce we made earlier. Fry this all up for about 3 minutes. You can add some bean sprouts at this stage or add them raw at the end like I do. When you add the egg to the mix, you might want to add a drop more oil. Make sure to use fresh prawns or shrimp and add them towards the end of the cooking. You want to cook them until they are no longer translucent, around about 3 or 4 minutes. You can make this with chicken breast too, or no meat or fish at all if you prefer. All that's left now is to give it a taste. It smells so good. There we go. The prawn as well. So good. So good. And such an easy dish to make. Honestly, go get the ingredients and make it for yourself. You're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, stay safe and stay spicy. It is a little bit too spicy, I think, for Mrs. ChilliChump, but perfect for me.